Yo, I already know what you're thinking, right? You're like, it's Saturday. Why am I watching a video from this guy on a Saturday? Well, I'm going to tell you why. We had a company reach out to us, and we want to tell you guys about it. So, here's your Saturday morning surprise from Pugliese Speed Shop. Guys, I don't know, like, do I clap? I've never done a Saturday video before, you know? So, you know what? We're just gonna play it straight, all right? So we had a company called Viking Bags. They reached out to us, shot us an email, and asked us to do a product review. I said, you know what? I heard these guys. So yeah, all right, let's talk, right? So what do you want to send me? So they said, we're gonna shoot you this. I'll have the kid put a picture up here. So it's the Viking Tactical XL, I'm thinking extra large, motorcycle sissy bar backpack. Now that's a lot of words, right? But check out the picture, right? I mean, it's got an American flag on it. I think that's pretty dope. And it looks pretty legit, right? So like I said, I have heard of these guys, right? In fact, a lot of the shops around here, to include like the Harley store up in DC, they actually carry their products. So not for nothing, but if Harley's carrying it, probably legit. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this, right? I don't have the bag yet, so this is about all I can tell you about the bag is they're gonna send me this bag because that's how this works, right? I'm putting this video out to tell you guys that you need to stay tuned because they're gonna send me the bag, and then we'll throw it on the bike and we'll do the review, and that's how that works, right? But we all got the internet, right? So what's the first thing I did? Oh, pull my phone out and let's see what you got. So I'll throw the website up here. I got on their website, and I couldn't believe. I knew they had bags. I mean, it's in the title. So they got like obviously sissy bar bags, and they got like saddle bags. They got the locking ones, like the hard ones you see. They got like bar bags, tool bags, and organizers. And guys, they got fairings. They got handlebars. I mean, forget about it. Everything you can think of, it seems like they got. So, check them out, see what they got going on there. They, I said I'm stoked, guys, because I had a bad experience. Maybe they noticed. I don't know, but with the backpack, that not one of theirs, but I bought from somewhere, and the first time I threw it on my back, it went all over. Not the best way to start a cross-country trip, right? So I do have some experience with things that don't work so well. If you guys watch the channel, you already know that. So I'm going to keep it real with you, right? And so make sure you guys come back. I'll give you a for real review on it, and hey, we go from there. Like I said, they got a bunch of other stuff, so if I like the bag, they're going to be getting some more of my money. That's just how that goes. Hope you guys check it out. Thanks for watching.